Guys, this is getting very real, very fast. What? Guys, he's taking off his gloves. My goodness.
This piece here.
Oh gosh. Guys, we're getting ready to go up the bees bush properly. Pray for me, pray for me. Just telling me this, so let's see how it goes. Last time here, so you go up there already. You're not coming this time. How was it? Will I survive?
Well, I survived it. Especially, I always have on my suit.
Don't wake them up yet, man. Woo. Don't wake them yet.
Yeah, boy.
Alright guys, time to put it down. So the gloves first. Guys, you better subscribe, you know. This is for oh, Jesus.
Hot girl style.
I turn bee farmer now. Well, in this. No. Little finger at risk.
You need it more than you, man. Come.
It's alright, I will survive the little finger flip. Sacrifice it. I feel like I got space. I am in the suit. Starts with already.
No. Yeah, go.
Yes, sir, mommy. If I don't come out alive and well, you can take all my belongings.
Just couple bites and get the last.
Just couple bites, guys. You hear that?
I've never get any.
Blossom never get any. Alright, so Blossom, what was your strategy? You stay far, don't you?
No, I just stay stiff under the suit.
You know how bad me. I am a dumpy. Oh gosh.
I turn on the phone.
Guys, this is getting very real, very fast. What? I feel like it's too close. They're not like me.
I saw them always do it on TV too,
Put it like this.
Alright. How are yourself?
Or myself, yes.
You look like a some mass mensch. Like space
That
shuttle.
myself, me feel like me I got space. Gosh, it's not even zip up properly. Why? Send invitation letter to come inside. Slap me up good because I don't know all of the holes in this. What else the funny like
Yeah, this is the new hot girl style. Come closer.
We can zoom.
Come on, come.
Come, hold this with one. And take that. Come on, Papa. See it works. Go right to the side of this time. You free? Alright. See it right there. See it?
Should I run them out already?
Me, I calm them.
Yeah, I'm gonna do more smoke.
Really afraid? Them calm, man.
They said them calm, okay. I hope them calm with me too.
This won't take off our gloves off.
So what, if they never come, they would have the power hand or something? Oh gosh. But wait, you don't have a full suit. And me alone get the full suit. Wow. Whew, give thanks then. If you're there without the full suit, we can feel a little better. You just have on jeans pants.
Let me see. Alright, go for the boxing first. Go for the box. The bottom boy.
The bottom one of this, everyone, yeah? That. Try to do everything. The mustang, oh gosh.
We get this thing and I mask the fire with the smoke so that the rest them know.
From the second smell.
Alright, we need the frame then.
You need this one?
Looking on the back of the
Yeah, check them here because them here the pants up for the rubber band.
No, I don't start to take out nothing out there yet, so I don't have a find nothing.
So talk us through what you're doing.
Alright guys, I'm opening up this little cave here so that I can get to the main hive, the main body of the hive.
Okay.
So I have extract the cones and stuff like that. So, come closer, as I see, I break through already. And I'm kind of cleaning up to get all this stuff here. Alright, so this is the first piece of cone I'm going to take out. Yeah, alright, Chris? This is an experience, don't you?
I tell you. I think I'm going to Jamaica to do this. It's good when you plan out the whole of your trip.
So, we'll take this piece out first. So, we've got in. Like that. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm looking to see if there is any laying on this piece of cone here. So, well, this is empty, no honey, nothing at all. So,
okay, so you good to go, you don't want it.
Alright, so this little piece here have a bit of
stubborn bees, they know how come on.
the bees them calm and them relax, so calm bees.
You say so. To one bite.
Yeah, you must expect that you're gonna get a little sting.
No, I'm not expecting.
So,
as long as I know my face, I guess.
alright, so I'm going in. I'm taking this part out.
Gotta overheat.
Alright. This have some pollen, a little honey. You know, pollen and honey. Right. So, I think I'm gonna save back this piece here. And I'm gonna put it in the hive. So I have to give them back some food. Bring in the box top for me. Alright, turn it upside down. Alright, so now, so what you do is it same like how you take the cone from the hive, you put it the same way because you don't want to disorientate the larvas and stuff like that. Yeah. So you try to keep the larva then. It's like a reptile. When you're doing snake eggs and stuff like that, if you shift them, they will join in them own.
Oh yes, I saw that on YouTube. Yeah.
So
you turn them the right way. Check. Or
same
else
like
them
how,
die here.
Same like how I take them out.
They put them back.
Back the same way.
Wow guys, this is a crazy experience.
Because with the gloves I can't work like how I really want to work.
Keep on the gloves, don't worry about that.
Take it off.
You're too brave, sir. Yes, sir, when you go down, your hand them double size. How them to be?
Alright, so with the black bag, I'm tell you.
Behind
just
you.
pass them.
Guys, he's taking off his gloves. My goodness. Oh my god! Wow! So the bees are tame. They're docile. And I'm here just dying inside.
So now I'm gonna use some elastics
To tie up the thing under.
to hold this. So like that. One.
You said they no bite you yet?
Make it once tonight.
No, me mean for your hand now.
No. So
I'm good. Yes, I secure my foot there. Hi.
back inside. So this piece.
Piece look big. And what if a piece of a piece of guys, you can see it?
So now
So what if the bad one if this one you go take off the gloves now?
you see once you break in the hive, you know, they're not that aggressive again.
Really?
But you
Them
see,
feel like them in danger?
yeah, once you start, and what I do, I don't move that fast. So when you don't move that fast, I'm not give you. So now I'm taking this piece. So in the process, same way, as I move, I'm gonna look for the queen also.
Time to look for the queen, guys. I'm here, though.
This piece here.
Oh gosh. Them get wild. Them get wild. Wild! My god, them get wild. And you just have them in one foot.
So I still have to save this piece here.
Yeah, so you see the queen or no?
No, not as it. Alright, this is a
Queen,
little
look on this.
too big for that. So I'm taking the next frame. Never take this.
Them wild. Or they can rush it.
Maybe get hot.
No, it's just dark through the sunny night. You can't see it. No.
So I'm gonna try to save this also.
Yes, we're in there. Second piece of corn we take out now. Yeah, one big one. Look a bit. And look a bit. What the next thing here? Larvae. What's that? Ooh, my heart. Guys, I am sweating like Duns River Fall. Why?
In.
But you know, set good for the bottom. I don't know.
That's 2 pieces there.
You know, put back this.
Yeah, put it back.
So now we're getting the last piece, I think, no?
We don't know how much pieces inside I did.
This look like the last piece. More there behind. Wow. Big. But it's so funny to me how them underground. Because me, I always think these just in a tree. Like the
Anywhere them go and find a location to stay. That's it. So them find a good suitable spot. In this area.
Oh gosh. You alright?
Squeeze.
You're squeezing. Oh my god. You better stay far from me. I like that. Yes, in my hand. Because he took off the gloves. Too brave.
Come.
I sketched the
Come
honey.
here, let me show you something. Yeah, it is. Come on. Oh, ease up. Come to me. Step to it. Come to me.
Oh yeah, give me a piece. Got to open up my safety net. Why?
Come.
Ah. Oh God, please don't let them. Wow, sweet.
That is from the local.
Sweet actually clean.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them down there, son.
Eat already, watch out. He opened his foot in front of all of them. They went just a movie now. Share it up. We threw it out like chingo. Open up my foot, please. I'm going to put it out. Let's put it in your mouth and chew it up. Chew it up, Sarah.
Oh my god.
Sweet like a sugar.
Sweet.
Man, sweet till it over sweet.
A wild honey.
Wow.
Wow. It's so flavorful and strong. You can eat it. Not what you're buying. You just swallow it.
Guys, I'm back. Guys, I'm back here in the field. But someone here crawl up on your back. Yes, so you put in one new one? No, not yet. I put in this also.
They like what they got down.
Yeah man, I love it. Should we shake off some? So then go try the next one. Oi. top part is not so nice like the bottom part. Why you choose to cut this part? It dry up?
No, this are the honey, but I want the eggs and the broods.
So down there so the...
Yeah, down here so eggs and brood. So if you look in there, you see some little small white thing, like a day-old egg and stuff.
Oh, yes, I see the white stuff.
Yeah, so you have the white with lava and stuff down there.
Oh, and this is just the honey I cut off.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I take a little bit of it.
Or just a little and not
Them
all?
want more?
I don't know.
Them want more down there?
I don't know.
Ask them to give them that.
Oh, no one piece more honey? Then good. Sweet man, it can't last you. Because I know my mouth Clyde. Oi! Come on, I look a pinky. One stick.
You got tour. Toasting.
Toasting, that's the one on the foot? I wouldn't call them the battle wounds, battle scars. Oi!
So in the hive here, we have mostly females. 99.9%.
So them zip me up good done there so? Yeah. Okay, I feel like them zip me up good. Them zip up here so good? They must zip me good.
Two inside.
Let's say, you can pull the zip for me and I go down here. And then zip it. Come up here with my brave self.
So you did pull back his zip?
Yeah, I tell them to zip me up. They don't zip me up. Them left me. Oh God. Then would. Thank you. Ooh.
I'm still about. But this hive, it's kind of calm. It's a nice docile hive.
So you say you ever buck up across some mad one?
Yeah, man.
Tell me about that story there.
I get about 40 at night.
And this me come in and you don't tell me that before. But how you did dress that time? Did you have on a suit, yeah?
No, them time I never really.
I wear a suit. So you just go so without nothing?
No, I went in like a couple of layers of clothes and stuff like that.
Oh. But that never helped you, the layers. So how your face look afterwards?
No, well, I never get none in my face.
Wow.
I'm trying to protect my face at all times.
So what you did do? In a mask or so?
Yeah, I have like a curtain.
Curtain.
And a hat.
Oh. Oh yeah, so you makeshift this thing. Okay, so you're still protected then. Makeshift suit. I would have loved to see that if you still have it. So you said they want to run a back, no drunk yet, you have to drunk them out. I can't believe there's so much of them, man. Wow. It's shocking.
So like this now, them repair this quickly.
And pull out the thing then.
Yeah, very quickly them repair about there.
So how long you think it take them now to repair?
Couple of days. Depends on the flow of the honey and all of that.
Guys, them start circle right here, so right side of my head. So they want to build a new cone here already? Or three in them space, them just come park here so. Yes, sir? Ah, so they soon start marching. Oh, you have the queen thing already in your hand, guys. I'm ready. Yes, so she under there. So now you have to be well gentle. can you have them in your hand? Oy. Keep them on the side or them just go on the side after you? Them just go on the side after you cut them. So this is the marching part? Not yet.
Marching on the inside and smoke them and then start run.
Guys, watch a bee upon me, Lord. Please come off of me. Guys, catch the bee upon me. Come off, sir, please. Yes, I better me left them upon me, no fan them off. You know when them start by through, I know. Just don't want you too comfortable upon me. They think the queen up there? Come check if you find your queen. So the back piece they can cut out too. How much that should have found? I don't think she left the thing so. You think so? You think she would have left it so? She don't like the pilot who have left the plane last. Oh gosh. That's not your draw down now. Hold it down. Okay, so this is really the last piece.
One more to
What time you think of the last piece?
How much frame left? This one, 2.
I feel good dizzy.
You want water?
You drink a whole thing of water. Guys, look how them pull on this. It's like when we move up and not too much, I could just stay still. Them have like some orange pollen things in here. That's honey? Pollen, yeah. Uy. Let's put them break on this. Branch. So guys, right now we're on the hunt for the queen. We believe like maybe 2 more pieces in there, right? So he's like smoking around the area to see if we can find the queen. He also suspects that maybe she's up here with them, but she could still be in the hole. Gosh, it's so deep and him say it's small. Guys, wonder for me. Wonder for me. Okay, so give us a little bee history. Tell us about the bees and the drones and the queens and the workers and...
Inside the hive, you have mostly female. Everything inside is female except the drone.
Except the drone.
Yeah.
And you say it's 1% of drones.
Yeah. And when they touch down in winter, them kick all the males out. Yeah.
They don't want nobody with them in the winter. In the winter cold, they don't want
Yeah, and
look.
they don't have enough food to sustain them. So
Oh, they kick them out.
yeah, the male not really contribute not much to the hive, more than when a mating time, they mate with the queen.
Oh. Still looking for the queen. We have the queen, the drone, and the workers, the female workers. And they go and they get pollen,
Yeah, nectar.
nectar, and they bring it back. So So guys, we get this much honey so far. How much honey this can make now?
Not much.
Not much.
This, when I get to know, I just have a feedback to them.
Oh, it's just to feed them back. No.
Kind of wet up your guys' mouth.
So that means if I would have wall it, the whole of the thing would have just full of it.
Yeah,
Would have just full of. Oh gosh, my box full now. What we are gonna do? Just.
Not full yet. The box not full as yet because when I get the bees, them in it yet.
Oh, me mean like with the cones. The cone.
Most of what we want.
So some of the cones I can transport outside.
Yeah, I don't want the rest of the cone.
Oh, you know what then?
No.
Then go reproduce the cone.
Yeah, I'm going to build fresh cone.
Okay, I got you.
So this is what we use for our food. Grass, freshly cut. So cut them in.
My gosh. Then take over the branch.
Catch the queen and cage her for like a day and a half in the noodles.
And then I can let her out. So why you have to cage her in the box? You can just put her in the box?
Yeah, because the box kind of new and stuff like that.
She might run where we
Yeah,
need.
she might.
Okay.
She might not like the space.
Give her some time to see, so she might like it.
Yeah, give her some time to get used to the new home and the bees and start to fix whatever broken and stuff like that. So them not start fan it. Generally them would only start fan.
What is fun?
The wings and turn the bottom up into the ear.
Oh, go inside?
No, so I'm let off that pheromone to call the rest of bees and that they're here.
Oh.
So once I catch a queen and put her inside, you might see them start with that.
Okay, interesting. Come Queenie, we are waiting for you now. This is getting very hot in here. I'm dying. You're not dying. A while ago I drink one full bucket of water. And we did already so full. And the one is battery. We reach the back. That's it. You say I can give a close up shot. Not suffering.
This is mostly nectarines. Let me see.
So nectar are the fresh stuff, yeah?
Yeah, then I process it down yet.
So you see so much of them funny.
No, because
So that means you can't throw away that one?
No, I throw it away. I'm not really throwing it away, but I'm gonna take it.
To feed them also,
Yeah,
yeah.
tedious work. Hard work, huh?
What? And the heat of the words.
I didn't know that hot.
You have to just stay still. As soon as you start the two movements, start to get dizzy. You just drink, man. How much space my brother have?
So, because in this box so big, you know, I have to go pump smoke in it to see if I can get them to start march out of the world. Because I can't really see.
Like you continue down the so still dark. And I want mile hole. You think more down there? Probably here one weird and I want hole and you don't think get out half of them in.
All of them come out. Majority of them come out. Look, so some of them put them and tuck them bottom up in the ear.
That one here, guys. You see? So they have to call Queenie now.
No, I'm not calling the rest of work. I said that we're...
So come and do work here. One of the crosses workers who don't know work.
The back kind of weird.
Full up still. this hive could have been so much. I always just did that look on them like the little wasp nest thing. All of them watch the videos, you know. Guys, now they're marching, they're all coming out. Wow. And get the message finally. Get the message, guys, they're coming out. Let's look, they're marching out. You can see the difference now. They're coming out towards the new home. Guys, I know we're not find the queen. We can't find the queen, guys. And if we don't find the queen, this is all for nothing. And at first we thought it was just a little hole, huh? You underestimate them. Woo. But it's a good sign, they're marching, so we hope, you know, we're very positive that she'll find her way out. It's just a matter of when, huh?
Look at the fun. See?
You know the fun?
Yeah, and everybody are marching.
Come guys, march, march, march. I want to go. How long you think we're there so far now?
A short period of time.
1 hour. It's 1 hour we're there for now. So guys, I'm gonna shake them up at the branch. Oh, you're drinking through that.
It's like kind of difficult here, so you know, because we have so much loose trash, fishing badge under.
Ah, like the whole from Holland. So this is the hardest part, to find the queen.
So I have to free every little bungalow of these on the picture.
But when she in there already, I enough more. When she in there now, she can't pass or come through.
You can pass me, yes?
Pass and gone in there and cuddle up already. You want to check? I don't think so. That's the last resort. Oh gosh, the part the fall off. Come Queenie, we're dying. Yeah. The final. See there, I think I recognize her too. Guys, we found Miss Queenie.
Yeah, job well done. You know,
We did it. Woo.
So this cook, clean and curry and it's done with.
Yeah man, we did it.
Right in a minute.
Woo. You should have right at the first as
I don't back then, did they?
I need to move.
smoke and
The smoker because everybody left.
no, the smoke and see how she been? See?
That's what I mean, the next one soon come out.
Yeah, them they can come out by themselves. You ready?
Yes, Craig, we leave the box up there. We leave the box up there.
Yeah, later we come back.
What you call later? Okay. So that's like in a few hours. Or tomorrow. Alright. Guys, I was brave for you all. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.